Starting with next question on final accounts. From the following information of MS Vishakha Bolts, prepare trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2016. Okay. Stock has been given. Trial balance में stock होता है, that is your opening stock. Purchases, drawings, 10% government bonds 30,000. This is hidden adjustment. 10% government bonds means you will have to check कि इस पे interest मिला या नहीं मिला. If मिला तो पूरा मिला या नहीं. If nothing is there, interest will be outstanding. 3,000 into 10%, 30,000 into 10% comes up to 3,000. So you will have to check in income side, is there any interest? If it is not there, then there will be an entry for outstanding interest. Okay. Advertisement 3 years 3,000. Again hidden adjustment. During the year, only 1 year's expense we have to put in our trading and P&L account. But here 3 years का advertisement है. So pertaining to 1 year, it will be only 1,000. 3 years का 3,000 है. 1 year का 1,000. Rest 2,000 is your prepaid expense that you will have to do adjustment in profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay. Wages 3,000, carriage 2,000, discount 500, royalties 2,000, return inward is your sales return. Sales will always be on your credit side and sales return always on your debit side. So return inward 2,000, plant and machinery 40,000, motive power 2,100, furniture 18,000, rates and taxes 1,110 and sundry debtors. Now the credit items: capital, sales, bills payable, return outward. Now what is this? Return outward, your purchase return. Reserve for doubtful debts. Mark this reserve for doubtful debts. We'll take it at the time of adjustment with debtors. Commission 4,600 and creditors. Okay. Now let's read the adjustment. Closing stock first. Closing stock was valued at 22,500. So whatever points in adjustment, उसका दो जगह effect आएगा. One of the closing stock will be in your trading account and one will be in your balance sheet asset side. Depreciate plant and machinery 20% and furniture 2,000. So plant and machinery पे mark करो. Depreciate plant and machinery at the rate 20% and furniture by 2,000. So furniture also has adjustment over here. Wages of 500 were unpaid. Okay. Wages of rupees 500 were unpaid. So mark on wages. Outstanding wages का adjustment है. Commission includes 600 received in advance. So commission 600 received in advance. Again adjustment. Goods worth rupees 3,000 withdrawn for personal use. Personal use means drawing है and वो हमारे expense में नहीं होना चाहिए. Business and proprietor are different from each other. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 3,000 from our purchase and we'll take the amount of drawing less from capital. So purchase में से less करो या फिर आपका ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में क्रेडिट में डालो. Write off 1,000 as bad debts and provide 5% reserve for doubtful debts on debtors. So debtors का adjustment है and we don't have a bad debts in our debit side, नहीं तो उस पे भी मार्क जाता. So let's start. First is your opening stock 20,000. So to opening stock 20,000. Done. Purchases 61,500. To purchases in your inner column 61,500. Now we have an adjustment pertaining to purchases. What is that? Goods worth rupees 3,000 withdrawn for personal use. So less from purchases, that is not my expense. less drawing of rupees 3000. Either you can give this adjustment less drawing from purchases 3000, or if you don't want to do this adjustment, what you can do is on your credit side you can write by drawing of goods 3000. That will give you the same effect. So one is here, and the second effect will be in your balance sheet. Capital में से less होगा goods का drawing 3000. So capital less drawings $3,000. Okay. Now drawing only given here again 3000. So drawing is given 3000 in your trading account, means one adjustment less करो capital में से less 3000. Again, now this is your drawing of other than goods. %, government bonds 30,000 is your assert. So first of all write 10% government bonds, and remember that there is no interest paid yet, so that will be outstanding in your balance sheet. 10% government bonds, $30,000 is my assert, and outstanding interest 10% is still due. So interest on government bonds, either you can add it here, take this in the outer column, I am adding it, add outstanding interest on these government bonds 3,000, 33,000. Outstanding interest is anyways my assert, so 33,000 here, and interest I have not received but is my income, so interest on government bonds in your trading and P&L account, your profit and loss account credit side, that is my income. Interest on government bonds, that is outstanding interest, but anyways this is income for my current year, so pertaining to current year will come in the current year. Okay, interest on government bonds is done. Advertisement 3,000 for 3 years. Again this is adjustment. Remember 3 years का expense एक year में नहीं डाल सकते, so to advertisement in your inner column it is 3,000 in profit and loss account, less prepaid for 2 years, that is 2,000 is prepaid, and only 1,000 in the outer column pertaining to current year. Prepaid expenses for advertisement is again my assert, so you have to take it to the balance sheet. ज़्यादा दे दिया है, so my assert prepaid advertisement is 2,000, my assert. Wages 3,000. Now wages is your trading account item, so now wages, your trading account item. To wages we have an adjustment pertaining to wages, so in the inner column wages 3,000, wages of rupees 500 were unpaid, so this is your outstanding wages. Add outstanding less prepaid, so add outstanding 500, total 3,500 in the outer column, and outstanding wages, that is wages pertaining to current year I have still not paid, so is my liability. So in the liability side outstanding wages 500 in your balance sheet. Outstanding wages 500. After wages, see what is the next expense. Carriage. So carriage, my trading account item to carriage. Carriage comes up to 2000. Next, discount in debit means what? It is discount allowed. So discount allowed 500 in your P&L debit side to discount 500. Royalties. Royalties again your trading account item. Royalties 2000. कुछ रॉयल्टीज में भी इट इज गिवन टू मैन्युफैक्चर समथिंग. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से रिलेटेड कोई भी एक्सपेंस है सीधा ट्रेडिंग में डालो. सो रॉयल्टीज 2000. नाउ प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. नो, रिटर्न इनवर्ड दैट इज 2000. रिटर्न इनवर्ड मतलब क्या हुआ, अंदर आया और आपके डेबिट साइड में पड़ा है. मीन्स सेल्स इन योर क्रेडिट एंड डेबिट सेल्स रिटर्न. सो यहां हम लिखते हैं बाय सेल्स लेस सेल्स रिटर्न 2000. Sales figure we will get when we will be doing the credit side. Plant and machinery 40,000 and we have a adjustment for plant and machinery. Depreciate plant and machinery at the rate 20%. So एक तो P&L में आपके depreciation चला जाएगा to depreciation. See, plant and machinery का depreciation 40,000 into the rate 20%, that comes up to 8,000. And furniture by 2,000. So simultaneously plant and machinery and furniture दोनों कर लो. Furniture depreciate by 2,000. Total depreciation in outer column 10,000. Now plant and machinery take for balance sheet. Asset side, plant and machinery is 40,000 less depreciation 20%, 8,000 comes up to 32,000 and your furniture 18,000 less your depreciation. फर्नीचर पे डेप्रिसिएशन 2,000 16,000. ओके, सो हमारा ये दोनों एडजस्टमेंट्स भी हो गया है रिलेटिंग टू योर डेप्रिसिएशन एंड दिस टू आर गिवन. मोटिव पावर 2,100 फैक्ट्री के लिए लगती है मोटिव पावर. सो टू मोटिव पावर in your trading 2,100. Furniture is done. Rates and taxes 1,100. Rates and taxes in your profit and loss account. To rates and taxes 1,100. Now sundry debtors 11,800 balance sheet item with an adjustment mark किया हुआ है. So inner column में डाउन sundry debtors 11,800. Now credit side capital 1 lakh. So keep your capital 1 lakh. Sales 61,300. Sales, your trading item sales So sales 61,300 माइनस सेल्स रिटर्न का तो पहले ही कर दिया. नाउ बिल्स पेएबल, जो पे करना है लायबिलिटी, बिल्स पेएबल 20,000 लायबिलिटी साइड. बैलेंस शीट बिल पेएबल 20,000, bill payable 20,000 in your balance sheet. Return outward 1,500, purchase return 1,500. So less purchase return. $1,500. $61,500 minus 1,500 minus 3,000 comes up to 57,000 in the outer column. Okay, reserve for doubtful debts. इसको mark करके रखा ही है. Keep it as it is for your debtors का adjustment. Commission 4,600. This is credit में. So commission received है 4,600 in P&L is 4,600. Okay, and what is the adjustment of commission? Commission includes 600 received in advance. नहीं था इस ईयर का, तो भी मिल गया इस ईयर में. लेस करेंगे बिकॉज करंट ईयर के एक्सपेंसेस ही लिखने हैं हमको. ओके, सो इट इज कमीशन रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस लेस रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस हाउ मच 600. That is 4,000 in outer column. और adjustment का second effect in your balance sheet, commission received in advance is your liability. So go to the balance sheet. Commission received in advance 600. Okay. Creditors 11,800. Again your balance sheet item, credit side 11,800 is your creditors. So creditors 11,800. Now let's start कि कौन सा adjustment अभी बाकी है. So first adjustment, stock on 31st March 2016 was valued at 22,500. So closing stock बोल रहे हैं. By closing stock, एडजस्टमेंट में हमेशा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक दिया हुआ होता है 22,500. 61,300 minus 2,000 59,300 and closing stock is your assert. So in assert side 22,500 closing stock. Okay, depreciation is done. Wages for 500 were unpaid. Done. Commission entry done. Goods worth rupees 3,000 withdrawn for personal use. Done. Now only one adjustment is left, and that is write off 1,000 as bad debts. Sundry debtors में आइए. 1,000 मुझे लगता नहीं है मिलेगा. Bad debts है मेरा. हटाओ उसको debtors में से. So less bad debts 1,000. अब यदि यहाँ कोई पुराना बैड डेट्स होता तो उसमें मैं ऐड कर देती कि मान लीजिए x इज योर ओल्ड बैड डेट्स इन योर ट्रायल बैलेंस. सो आई वुड हैव एडेड 1,000 टू x और वो अमाउंट मेरा टोटल बैड डेट्स बन जाता. पर मेरे पास है ही नहीं, आपके ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में बैड डेट्स है ही नहीं. सो आई विल जस्ट सिंपली राइट बैड डेट्स 1,000 in my trading and profit and loss account also, that I'll do. Okay, and bad debts and provide 5% reserve for doubtful debts on debtors. So पहले इसमें से ये amount less करो. 11,800 minus 1,000, that comes to 10,800. and now remaining amount पे 5% reserve, so less 5% of your reserve on bad debts, reserve for doubtful debts on debtors. So reserve for doubtful debts on debtors, RDD, and that comes up to 10,800 into 5%, 540. That you have to subtract, and in the outer column I have 10,260. अब क्या करोगे, बैड डेट्स को आप लेकर जाओगे आपके प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड में, राइट? और रिजर्व फॉर बैड डेट्स आप क्या करोगे, 540 है. सो लेट्स सी कैसा है इसमें एडजस्टमेंट. गो टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, टू बैड डेट्स. सी बैड डेट्स जो हमने एडजस्टमेंट में दिया था, बैड डेट्स 1000 लेकर जाना है, राइट? सो योर बैड डेट्स ओरिजिनल तो है ही नहीं, सो एड योर बैड डेट्स इन एडजस्टमेंट, दैट इज 1000 रुपीज. ओके, एंड रिजर्व फॉर बैड डेट्स जो अभी हमने बनाया एडजस्टमेंट में, दैट इज एड योर रिजर्व फॉर doubtful debts, that is 540. पर ध्यान से देखो, one item is still kept marked in your trial balance, reserve for doubtful debts, RDD यहां भी दिया हुआ है. Now we have already made a new reserve. So is this reserve actually required 800? No. So remove this 800 from here, less old reserve for doubtful debts. So it will be less old RDD. ओल्ड आरडीडी ही एक ऐसा आइटम है जिसको मार्क करके रखो ट्रायल बैलेंस में, कहीं मत लेके जाओ. एंड वंस यू आर डूइंग योर डेटर्स का एडजस्टमेंट, देन ओल्ड आरडीडी कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. ओके, सो ओल्ड आरडीडी 800, 1000 add 540 less 800 comes up to 740. Now start finding up your gross profit. But see, the debit side is higher here. The total comes to 86,600. 86,600 minus 59,300 minus 22,500 comes up to 4,800. So 4,800 is what? Is your gross profit. So by gross profit carried down, I mean this is not, it is minus my profit, so it is to be gross loss. Okay, so by gross loss carried down 4,800, bring it here, क्रॉस में जाएगा. 4,800 इधर है, उसको P&L में क्रॉस साइड में लेकर आओ. 4,800 to gross loss brought down 4,800. Okay, now take the total of your debit side and your credit side. You will again find that debit side is higher and the total is coming up to 18,140. 18,140. So balancing figure, two items, subtract 3,000 and 4,000 and what you get is 11,140. So this is your net loss. So by net loss, क्या करोगे net loss का? Take it to your capital account and subtract from your capital because it is net loss. So by net loss transferred to capital account. Okay. Now moving on to the balance sheet. Less net loss 11,140. So 1 lakh minus 3,000 is your drawing. Now again 3,000 drawing and 1140. So the amount will go in the outer column. Okay. So 1 lakh में से ये items adjust करो and the amount coming in outer column will be 82,860 plus 5,000 plus 20,000 plus 600 plus 11,800 comes to 1,15,760. So here 1,15,760 is your total. And now in your asset side of balance sheet, 32,000 plus 16,000 plus 22,500 plus 33,000 plus 2,000 plus 10,260 comes up to 1,15,760. So this is all with your solution for Vishakha Bolts presented by aforaccounts.com.